Let's get buzzing. Craig, what's going down?
Yeah, all right, so legendary producer Robert Bobby Digital Dixon, one of dancehall and reggae's most successful music producers, died on Thursday at age 59. His son Sheldon Calibod Stewart, Dwayne, said that he succumbed to a kidney-related illness. Originally from Olympic Gardens in Kingston, Dixon was protege of engineer and producer Lloyd King Jammy James, with whom he started his career as an audio engineer. Dixon produced a world of hits. He produced songs from Shabarang starting in the late 1980s with like Peeny Peeny, which is the song that you heard when we came up. Their formidable partnership also yielded massive hits such as Just Reality, Live Blanket, and Wicked in a Bed. Pop, pop, pop. Other hit songs produced by Dixon were Till I'm Laid to Rest by Buju Banton, Cocoa Tea and Admiral Tibet's Serious Times, Garnet Silks, It's Growing and Sizzler's Black Woman and Child. He also produced Don't Have to Dread, the big breakthrough song and album from Morgan Heritage. Bobby Digital is survived by his wife Merva, 3 children, 2 grandchildren and sister and 2 brothers. Also by his world of hits that we will play from now until thy kingdom come. Condolences to the families, cause and friends of Bobby Digital. Big up Dwayne, big up Craig. Shot me this morning. It's this morning while I was coming in, I heard about it and it knocked me. But I tried to call Dwayne and couldn't get through, but they don't know me, shouting later. But I mean, it's a real tragedy, man. Bobby a superstar, man, and not just in music, not just professionally, but in a real life too. Bobby always opening doors to young talent and new youths who are trying to do the thing, and was one of the first homes of TOK back in the day. So I feel it, But you don't know. Aluta continue, struggle continues, life goes on still, but you don't know. Rest in peace, Bobby. Pick up yourself, General.
I'm sorry for your loss.
I'm going to miss the steamed fish then, but you don't know.
The steamed fish.
A big chef, brother. What you talking about, man?
But the good thing is that those songs, we're playing those songs earlier before the show started. You guys don't know. And we all in the studio was just, vibing. That can get me on, really getting into
I'm on Bobby have a gift, man. He's one of the producers that people call. You see, anytime when them say like them not say, yo, we're not hearing no good reggae music no more and thing. We need to draw back for some producer. Bobby Digital is a go-to name, a go-to person. And
I agree with that.
Get back that vibe. So
every song that he played was a vibe. Was an absolute vibe. I like it. Yeah. And that just goes to show as well, like I know we're not really talking about this, but I'm going to throw it out there. Like, look after ourselves right now, just all the time. Like, look after your health, eat right, cut down on the alcohol, drink a lot of water, cut down on the smoking, look after your kidneys, look after your body, look after yourself, so you can have as long as you can have, Just be healthy.
Sure.
On another note. Just saying, for all of us.
All right, so you want?
No, man, go on.
Right,
music, he's the music man in the house.
Skip Marley etches his name into the history books with Slow Down, big tune too, on which he's joined by R&B songbird and 2-time Grammy Award-winning musician Her, or H-E-R, by moving to the top of both Billboard Adult R&B and media-based urban adult contemporary charts. Marley is the first Jamaican artist to achieve such a feat. The single has garnered over 12 million streams on Vivo and more than 160 million global artist streams. The song recently regained momentum following the Island Records release of a remix featuring US rapper Wale. Big up to Skip.
Wale.
Marley legacy continues.
Nice.
I know it's what going on,
Nice.
This look like more than the tune alone, And that, Them the pictures look steamy,
What are you saying there, Craig?
Hey, we know Marley, you think them easy? Skip.
That's cute, though.
Skip.
Okay.
Baby, let me drink my tea.
Some hand holding. Let's sip the tea. Okay.
Drink my tea.
Okay, so there is some good news, some more good news, I feel. The man who filmed the death of Ahmaud Arbery has been charged with murder. The Georgia Bureau of Investigations announced on Thursday William Roddy Bryan Jr., whose viral video of Arbery's death shocked the nation. is now the third person to face murder charges and awaits trial for Aubrey's death. Now, Brian also faces charges of criminal attempt to commit false imprisonment. So that is really, really, really good news for all of us. So 2 weeks ago, Gregory Travis McMichael were arrested in connection with Aubrey's death following video of Aubrey's death being spread on social media. Now, according to the Georgia Bureau of Investigation, Aubrey was in the Stallion Shores neighborhood in Brunswick when both Gregory and Travis McMichael confronted Aubrey with 2 firearms on February the 23rd. During the encounter, Travis McMichael shot and killed Aubrey. This is what prosecutors said. Now, if you film something, should you also be charged? What's your thoughts on that? What do you think?
Yeah, well, there's no hard and fast. You can't say yes or no, because I mean something like that, it would appear that he was filming to catch it. So
Right.
so you know that brings to mind something premeditated. So in that sense, I guess a charge is expected. However, end up catching something
You see something
on
on
camera.
and you just grab on the camera.
I don't know
is
if you
one
can. I don't
thing.
know if you can
Yeah.
be charged with an
Yeah.
offense because of
Yeah.
that. But I mean, you know, people's humanity is going, man, and that's concerning me.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I like what you said. If you're filming to catch something, it appears that this gentleman was actually a part of the crew, and that he was the one that was to filming, so they had it on record.
Yeah.
That's how it appears. However, I don't think filming generally, like you said, is wrong. I think sometimes it's great to have somebody filming something because a lot of things are happening nowadays. So, but I'm really glad this is happening, and I watch to hope that good things come about.
All right, so let's see if we can find my sound system voice.
Find
now.
it, find it,
Sound the
find
big thing them. So Jamaicans and lovers of dancehall music globally will be tuned into Timbaland and Swiss Beats versus tomorrow, as the battle will be none other than dancehall icons Beenie Man and Bounty Killer. So tune in to King Beenie Man or at Ground Godzilla on Instagram tomorrow. Let's get brand Jamaica and dancehall music trending globally. So we're going to see that tomorrow. Swiss Beats versus Bounty Killer versus Beenie Man.
I am so glad that they're doing this. I'm so glad that they're doing it. It's going to be such a huge impact for dancehall in general, for dancehall artists. So many of us tuned in to when Babyface took on. Who did Babyface take on again? Teddy Riley.
Teddy Riley.
And then last week, it's really good.
It's cool.
I saw Jill Scott took on
Erykah Badu. Yeah, I remember that one.
So, it's really good. I'm glad that they're including the dancehall artists as well in there.
Yeah.
And I think that Beenie Man and Bounty Killer, I think that's a good...
Them smart, man.
That's a good match,
remember,
though.
Timbaland and Swiss, and Khalid and them people, them grew up in that era when Beenie Man and Killer was at it, going at it,
What?
So, I mean, it's cool
I'm
to see
excited.
them acknowledge the power and the following that dancehall has. And
But Craig, hold on a second, man. Yeah, step out of the
No,
thing.
you can't do that now.
Craig,
You
I
can't
know,
do
so you know them, I told them are your people, but
You
you
can't
have to
do
go
that.
pick one.
You
have to pick one, Craigie.
You can't do that.
can't go like that, Craig. You have to pick a side.
You can't
You
pick a
can't be
side.
them kind of little fence people.
I can't pick a
Pick a
side, because I
side.
like the two, I like the
No,
two, I like the two.
no.
All right. Straight up,
Pick a
straight up.
side.
Or like them time there,
Two of them love
you
the
wouldn't
same
even have
thing.
to ask. Me's a Bounty Killer fan. 100%. Cross.
Killer.
Angry.
Killer, Bounty.
Miserable. But Beenie I'm a brethren too, nowadays. So, but them
Nowadays.
time,
Nowadays.
them time, the man, Beenie will tell you, me and Beenie used to go at it. Like me, I say, yeah. He must say he's about to kill a fan, don't it? And I say, yeah, dog. Sorry, but, I really think like Killer an artist.
So you think
Killer inspire me for DJ.
All right.
All
All right.
Killer and Bojo.
So, do you guys agree with Craigie T? Do you think who you think is gonna get it? I don't know. I love all the songs. I don't know. I couldn't choose. I couldn't choose. I couldn't
You see how
choose.
she
I don't
wicked?
know.
Hold on. Boy, everybody see how she wicked. You see how she set me up and then just jump out?
Yeah, man.
Fair style at
Me
the
just
always.
fling you over there and run down. Just like, you know what? I'm going to think about it. I'm going to think about it and tell you after the break. Daytime Live will soon come. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to
Live
tell you.
shatter.
After
Live.
the break. After the break.
Right.